Hi guys, welcome to special video for people who bought this report. This is the bonus video. In this video I just want to show you basically expand on this method that I've been talking about in the report. Now, as you know, the loophole method involves writing articles and simply using the power of organic traffic and then boosting the post. Okay, so as you know, the type of articles that would generate a lot of interest, here are some examples. Okay, so I'm on a website called ozok.com that is literally monetizing this strategy to its advantage. In front of you, you can see that there's several different articles. For example, 10 of the most thrilling rides in the world, 9 men, all women wish were not gay. The 13 coolest weapons ever invented, 9 of the best movie villains. These are the type of articles that get people talking on the web. Okay, so I'm going to click on one of the articles, and as you know, you must have your AdSense ads placed at the bottom. I'm going to show you how. So here you can see. I don't think the ads are working in this one. Let's have a look at this website here. So here we can see this is an article, and we can see there's an AdSense ad here, and we can see this button looks like a next button. Okay, but in fact it's actually part of an ad, and then people click on continue. So here we can see this ad. It feels like it's part of the content, but people instead they need to continue. They need to click on this link here, continue, and then they can be taken to the next page, and so on. Okay, so these are the type of content that is going to get a lot of traffic, get people talking. Let's just go back. Okay, so let's just click on entertainment. This website, I don't think the ads are monetized at this moment, so I'm going to type in an example. 10 movie villains who actually won. So something like this, it basically gets people talking. And let me just see if this is using AdSense ads. This one's not, but you get the idea as to what I'm trying to talk about. So you're going to have your ads placed in a way where people are going to click next. Okay, so once you've got your ads ready and once you've got your content in place, what you need to do is you need to go to Facebook, go to one of your Facebook pages and start simply monetizing. So I'm just going to head over to one of my pages. Just going to pause this video. This is one of my Facebook pages which I'm slowly building organic traffic to. It says, I love being an 80s and 90s kid. Now, there's a lot of different articles I can write about this. I mean, right now, what I'm doing is I'm monetizing the page. And let me just show you the reach. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, so basically, I'm posting content, and this has got, I'm obviously got plenty likes to this. 1,430 likes from USA, Canada, Australia, all the main countries, Taiwan countries. As you can see here, people are leaving comments, and this one here, you're going to basically get Facebook have a message that says get more likes, comments, and shares. This post is performing well. Boost it. So you just boost the post. So the loophole is when you've got an article or a content where people are sharing, and this post, I can boost this right now, and I can reach even more people. So the loophole is once you've got an engaged piece of content, article, people are liking. All you do, if you've got a page with just over 1,000 likes, and if you don't have like 10k likes or 20k likes, you can still boost the post and reach a lot of people. And in this case, the interest that you use in the boost post is the same interest that you use to create the likes campaign. Okay, so whether you're using 4 or 5 interest, you can use the exact same interest to boost the post and reach more people. As you can see, this one here, I boosted the post, and as you can see, I posted it in the end. 2,000 people were reached, and as you can see, I ended up posting this one. This was obviously just to build content, build engagement. Obviously, there's no articles on this page that I've posted as of yet because I'm waiting for the right killer moment. But for a page like this, how am I going to monetize? I mean, look, this here, 921 people reached, and I've got 1,432 likes. That's incredible, you know. So this again, well, look at this one, 1,000 people reached, and Facebook wants me to promote boost that as well. So you know, we know the other method the loophole strategy I recommend you do is, now we know this one is reaching a lot of people, right? Okay, so what to do now is click on edit post, and then post a link to your article. People will see the image, but they'll also click on your link. Okay, so that's another option. That's another powerful one. Once you're boosting the post, you can't edit this. So once I boost this or send traffic to this, I can't edit this. You can edit this right now, okay, with a link to your article. Okay, but what I like to do is, so for example, if I've got an article on my website, so for example, let's have a look at an example of an article. Okay, so I'm going to basically grab an article on here, and obviously people will browse and you have your AdSense ads. If I copy and paste this on here, this should turn into an image. So there you go. This is turned into an image, okay, and the headline title. Now what you can do is you can actually edit this. So you can actually, so look, this headline says characters who will probably die in Marvel's Phase 3. What you can do is you can have something like top 10 Marvel heroes or something like that, you know. Okay, so there you go. I mean, and this bit you can just take off. So you can actually edit that. Okay, it's really easy. Just place your cursor and click on there, and then obviously you want to have a headline here or something that entices people to click. Okay, so this image, as you can see, was pulled from this page. So this was a featured image. So what Facebook has done is actually pull that image, and then you know it knows that you're going to be sending, you're going to be using this on your content on your Facebook page, and there it is. Okay, so this again is powerful. Okay, this is powerful stuff. So now you've got, you know, the loophole method. So that's all it is. So you literally boost the post, and the other way to run ads is to run a post page engagement ad, and that's not boost post. Now you can also run a page post engagement ad. Okay, you can do it nationally. So if you're targeting USA, you can target states, or you can do it locally. And that's what I'm a big fan of. I'm going to show you right now how to go about doing it locally. Okay, so the first thing I do is obviously I upload my post. So this is my post, for example, or this is my post. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Facebook, and I'm going to create a page post engagement ad. I'm going to show you right now. I'm just going to pause this video. Okay, so here I've clicked on create a campaign. As you can see, so what you do is head over to promote your page, and you basically want to, what you do, you head over to boost your post. Okay, so you boost your post. 1 second. So you boost your post. Facebook will pull up the post. So in this case, let's say this is our article. You click on set audience and budget. So I'm going to do it locally. So in this case, let's just type in Moseley, Birmingham, or Moseley, or something else. Okay, let's just pick something else. Let's just type in Essex, United Kingdom. Okay, I'm just going to pause the video for 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna go for Moseley. Just got the spelling right. Moseley. It's in Birmingham, and as you know, there is a map on Google, on sorry, Facebook, that it's the data where they show you the closest towns. So what I do is I like to reduce this so they can focus and target the people of Moseley. Okay, Birmingham. Okay, so this is mainly targeting people in Birmingham area. Just type in. Let me just sort of that. Okay, so that vicinity in that area. This is who I'm going to target. So the next thing is what I do is I set this to $5 or $6. Let's go for $6. Set the engagement to automatic. Leave that alone. And the ad creative, I just simply remove that for post engagement ads. I remove this, the Instagram one. Remove the actually what I do is I leave the mobile and the desktop together, so I leave this and I leave this as well. Okay, but primarily majority of my traffic is actually mobile, believe it or not. There's a lot of mobile users who are reading and clicking. Okay, if I go to my stats on AdSense, that will tell you. So this is what I usually do, and local. So what we'll have is I'll have a local article, for example, 5 reasons to hate Moseley, Birmingham, 5 images of Moseley, 5 new events in Moseley, and people will read, and I'll get good engagement, and we can literally take it from there. Okay, so this is the loophole method. This is the local loophole method which you can use. Again, you can use this creative, be as creative as possible. Use different headlines, use different techniques, use images, whatever you want to do. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got a lot of value from this report with the price that you paid. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask me, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.